Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have Locket installed and signed in. Now start adding the widget. First, tap and hold an empty area of your home screen until icons jiggle. Once done, tap the plus icon in the top left to open the widget gallery. This opens the selection interface where you can search or scroll. Make sure your device is updated enough to support widgets, then type Locket in the search bar so the specific Locket widget appears in the list. Once Locket shows in the gallery, swipe through its size options to pick the one that fits your layout. Choose compact for one photo or larger for a feed-style view. Tap Add Widget to drop the selection onto your home screen. You can drag it to the exact spot while icons still jiggle. Make sure placement doesn't overlap app icons. When satisfied, tap Done or press the home gesture to lock the widget in place so Locket can update live previews. After placing the widget, check any permission prompts. Locket needs relevant access to update photos. If the widget shows blank or stale content, remove it and re-add. Long press the widget, choose Remove Widget, then repeat the add steps. If that fails, restart your phone and confirm Locket is running and you're logged in. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for Locket so it can fetch new photos. This resolves most update issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.